Hi, here is a power nugget. In Isaiah chapter 40, verse 31, it says, "But they that wait, hope, expect in the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up on wings as eagles. They shall run and not grow weary, and walk and not faint." Hope here in this particular verse causes us to do four things. One, it renews our strength, our power, our force. Two, it mounts up, it excels, it ascends, it elevates our mind and our thought patterns. Three, it runs, it goes quickly, it does not procrastinate. And four, it walks, it moves, and it causes us to live.